A new episode of Beau's Slow English. Tonight, I have several things going on. One being, I got to work out tonight. Let me show you my new workout device. Actually, it's a workout machine. That would be the better term. It's called Tonal, and it is attached to the wall. Have you ever heard of this company before? I'm not sponsored by them, but I should be. What you do is you log in, and I'm clicking my initials for my first name and last name, and then I type in my password. And as you can see, there are several instructors that lead the online workout class. And what's great about this device or machine is that I can do it any time of day. And I don't have to get ready to go to the gym, get in my car. I don't have to see people. I can do it in the comfort of my own home and my own time. They offer several types of workouts, including strength training, which means that you're building muscle, high intensity, which is more of a probably cardio mixed with strength training. Aero is this device here, or this attachment. It's like a rope with a handle with resistance. These are pretty advanced terms, so hopefully you'll learn some new vocabulary words today. Yoga. I think everyone knows what yoga is. I've been practicing yoga for over 20 years, and I love yoga. Mobility is being able to move with flexibility. That's hard to explain. Recovery is probably many types of stretches. Pilates is a lot of rehabilitative workouts to strengthen your core and overall body. Cardio is cardiovascular. Warm-up is what your body requires before getting into a hard workout, so it is prepared. Family fitness is probably a simple and easy workout with kids and parents. Golf is probably using functional movements to improve your golf skills. Barre is for ballet-inspired workouts. Boxing and kickboxing is the obvious. And boot camp, which is high-intensity cardio with strength training. Meditation, everyone should know what meditation is. Pre and postnatal. Those are really good vocabulary words. You know what pre is, which means before, and post is after. Natal is when you give birth. Dance cardio, I actually here, let's click it. This is the dance cardio. I will say it's not good. I'm skipping forward. It's kind of like aerobic fitness, I think. Not quite dancing. Yeah, that's not how I dance at the club. How about you? Let's keep fast forwarding. Do you dance like that? Anyway, I'm sure this is a really good cardio workout, but not so much of a dance. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Tonal machine. It's pretty cool, right? My husband just got home and he brought dinner, so come have dinner with me. I am sitting at the dining room table and I have my dinner. It is from a company called Goop Kitchen, which is owned by Gwyneth Paltrow, the former actress. Goop Kitchen has organic and healthy food, and today I chose to have salmon teriyaki rolls, or teriyaki salmon rolls. When I say roll, I don't mean like a sushi roll. They come in a rice wrap. So the outside is made out of rice paper, and on the inside there is collard green, which is a leafy vegetable. We also have some salmon that they marinated in their teriyaki sauce. And I think there's either glass noodles or vermicelli noodles. We're about to find out. I'm going to open this maybe spicy aioli type sauce that we will dip the roll into. And also on the side is some sort of like soy sauce type dip, but they probably use tamari, which is gluten-free, because Goop is known to be a gluten-free company. And if you don't know what gluten is, don't worry about it. It's a very trendy type of diet to be gluten-free in Los Angeles. However, I will say, as I get older, I'm hearing more and more people talk about how they actually have a gluten intolerance. I feel like today's episode, I'm using a lot of complex words, so I hope it's not too difficult for you. Okay, let's start eating. I'm just opening up the soy sauce dip. Okay, I'm taking the roll, and first I will dip it in the aioli sauce. And second is the soy sauce. And now I will take a bite. Pretty good. It also has avocado and radish, or maybe red cabbage. Not radish, red cabbage. I don't want to be rude or gross, so I'm going to finish my dinner and then I'll be back. Hello, I am back. I finished my wraps, and hopefully I don't have food in my teeth. As I mentioned in my last video, I have some other projects and stuff happening outside of work and outside of YouTube. I have 2 online shops on the store Etsy. Do you know Etsy? Etsy.com. Etsy was originally known to be an online store that people could sell their handmade goods. One of my stores is with a business partner. We haven't posted any products yet. And the other shop is with my husband, and we currently have almost 110 products in our store. we are selling mugs. A mug is another word for a cup that you can put hot beverages in. And the reason why I decided that mugs would be a good place for us to start is because we wouldn't have to deal with, or we wouldn't have to worry about people returning the mugs. There will be less of a chance of people returning mugs versus someone returning a t-shirt or sweater. So before work and after work, No. He's hungry. Before work and after work, I work on the Etsy shop, and this is called a side hustle because outside of my full-time job, I am doing this in hopes of making some passive income. Passive income is where you work, but you don't have to trade your time for it. So for example, let's say I'm at my full-time job and a mug sells on my Etsy shop. That is passive income. I've been trying to think of ways to make passive income because outside of my full-time job, I have another side hustle, which is cutting hair. Right, Louie? Right? And cutting hair is great. I'm grateful that I have this trade job to be able to make additional income. I wake up at 6 in the morning. I do my morning routine and I work on my shop. I work on my YouTube. I go to my full-time job. I come home. I try to work out and I will film my YouTube. I will edit my YouTube and I will also work on my Etsy shop. I think some people call me crazy. I am a very determined human, but growing up, I was not. Growing up, I tried a lot of things, whether it's sports, hobbies, whatever it is, but I never built enough passion or dedicated enough time to become an expert at it. So now that I'm an adult and I have a lot of responsibilities and I have bills to pay, I am dedicating my heart, soul, and everything to my YouTube and Etsy shops. Unfortunately, I have had to give up French. I was taking French lessons and I was watching French videos on YouTube every day, but I have put that on pause, or you could actually use the term, I put it on the back burner. This is an American or English idiom, which means that you are not prioritizing this particular thing. Do you know what prioritizing means? It means that you are not going to spend your time doing it. It is going to come later, and so that's why you put it on the back burner. And I believe back burner is on the stove that you cook on. I don't know why. When I do this, I just pictured a stove. So I put my French learning on the back burner. I also was doing a form of dancing called house dancing, which I also put on the back burner, but maybe one day I will show you my house dancing. It's not great, but it's come a long way. In order to meet your goals, if you're learning English, you have to be consistent every day. There's no excuse, and you may have to sacrifice some things that used to bring you joy or happiness so that you can meet this goal that you have. And as much as you want to become a master at speaking English, I want to help you just as much, which is why I have been much more consistent with posting these slow English videos. So I hope you find my videos to be valuable just as much as I find you to be valuable. I appreciate your time. Your time is valuable as well. And feel free to comment below to let me know what you've learned in this video, whether it's 5 vocabulary words, maybe you were able to understand me better because your listening comprehension is improving from watching these videos. Let me know. Please like my video to show your support, and please subscribe to my channel if you would like more content like this. I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world, and see you next time. Bye!